Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on Telegram group on your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Begin by launching Telegram on your PC. Once the application is open, navigate to the channel or group that you wish to create the poll in. After you have accessed the desired group, locate the three vertical dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Create Poll to start the poll creation process. You will then see a text box where you can input your poll question. Below the question, you will find the poll options text box. Start by entering the first option here. To add more options, click on Add an Option and type in the additional choices. Once you have entered both the question and answer options for your poll, click on Create in the top right corner to finalize and publish your poll within the Telegram group. By following these steps, you can engage with your group members by creating interactive polls on Telegram using your PC. Polls are a fantastic way to gather opinions and insights from your community. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tech-related content and tutorials.